Hello friends, how are you? My name is Sumit Thakur and I'm a cook and I have done masters in hospitality management and catering technology and I have been a cook since past 6 years and currently pursuing MBA, and today I'm telling about culinary arts. Especially my words today is just like a drop in the ocean in the on the YouTube, but it's my practice on the art of public speaking. And after a few days, I think I don't know how many days, but let's just see what is culinary arts. I wanted to pursue bachelor in culinary arts, but I thought, but it's just like I was by instinct I did this MBA, and it's like I can learn. I want the people who want to study this topic know more about it. Arts is the art of preparing, cooking, and presenting food. It can also refer to all food service professions. What does culinary arts involve? Preparing food, cooking food, presenting food attractively, planning menus, learning about ingredients and nutrition, understanding the cultural importance of food, career opportunities for the people who do these culinary arts, chef, food and beverage manager, restaurant manager, catering manager, product development manager, culinary consultant, education. Culinary arts programs can lead to diplomas or degrees. A culinary arts education can teach you the skills and secrets of professionals' kitchens. A culinary arts education can open up many career opportunities. Culinary arts in India. There are many culinary arts courses in India. Several top institutions in India offer culinary courses. Culinary arts in the world. The food industry is the growing globally, which leads to a high demand for culinary professionals. There is a large market for prepared foods. Uh, I'm going from the a particular topic. EHL. What is culinary arts and its definition? Breaking apart the term culinary means related to cooking, and art refers to any broad area of interest. So, put simply, culinary arts refers to the all present art of preparation, cooking, presentation, and service of food. This may often be in form of meals in restaurants, but culinary arts refers to all the professions that involve food services. Have you ever pondered on why some food is so irresistible? Actually, it's a combination of factors that stimulate all of our senses. Every aspect from the presentation on the plate to the aroma, flavor, and textures in our mouths contribute to our satisfaction with a meal. It's a truly remarkable how much effort goes into creating a single dish. What do you think? Don't you think in the culinary arts it's our responsibility to ensure that all senses are fully satisfied? A skilled culinary arts professional understands importance of presenting food in an attractive and appetizing manner. They take their time to ensure that the dish does not only taste delicious but also looks appealing and smells sensational. Utilizing available tools, they strive to create the perfection, perfect culinary experiences by harmonizing the important factors. The culinary art process, ingredient selection and recipe planning. The process begins with choosing the best ingredients. Culinary arts professionals learn to pick and choose ingredients that are at their peak, whether it's an apple, a mushroom, a fish, or something else. In a fine restaurant, it's usually the chef who oversees the buying of fresh ingredients. Once the chef has assessed the inventory of ingredients, they meticulously curate a selected recipes that maximize the potential of each ingredient. A masterful chef possesses the ability to adapt the menu effortlessly to account for any surplus or a scarcity of necessary ingredients. Food preparation, professional techniques, and processes. Once the menu is planned, the sous chef must get to work preparing all the ingredients so that they can be used in the recipes. This is the another stage of the culinary arts process. The food must be chopped, sliced, cut, and prepared in just the right way so that the food is highly attractive in its shape. Also, that it can be properly cooked in the recipe. This is one of the reasons why there are so many kind of slices and knife work that a sous chef must learn. The chef is the a fine hospitality establishment will. A chef in a fine hospitality establishment have a group of cooks on hand